Hop into the 2017 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an iconic Toyota Tacoma that's ready for work or play. This midsize pickup is ready to tow or hit the trail and comes loaded with driver assistance and safety features. Rugged and capable, it's the right choice for your adventurous spirit. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers. You need practical, but you want fun. Don't miss out. Get the best of both worlds when you get into this super versatile Tacoma. Come in and meet our expert team. We know what it takes to give you an outstanding test drive experience.